how to download and install TikTok app. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. TikTok application can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device, and in the search bar you have to tap and search for TikTok. Soon after searching, you will be able to see the search results where you have to click on install, and it will take a few minutes to install it on your device. After installing, you can create your account on TikTok, and by doing that you'll be able to explore the videos over there. You can also create your own TikTok. You can see the TikTok videos of the person from worldwide according to your choice. There are also many other AI features added in TikTok by which you will be able to create your own videos or templates. You'll be able to find the various entertaining videos which will make your days. So after a few minutes you can see TikTok app has been installed on my device. So by following this simple step you can download and install TikTok app. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.